Good morning, guys. Today is another Friday and it's my day. Kuwait is celebrating its National Day and there's a lot of activities all over the Kuwait. Full of decorations everywhere, expressing their respect for their country and love for their country. This whole week is very busy gathering materials for decorations for the celebration in the school. But it turns out nothing because when they put up everything outside, the rains fall and all my effort was gone. It's amazing, really. It's awful, you know.
Aww.
It's a sad story of the week, so let's leave it behind. And today is my off, so let's enjoy, chill, and relax. But before anything else, nakapag-subscribe na ba kayo? Kung wala pa, check this out. So, before we start our day today, my cargo box was picked up by Quickline Cargo Company. Sending this box along with my prayer na sana makarating na siya sa aming bahay. Because for all you know, I was one of the cargo box senders whose boxes don't reach to the destination. Alam nyo, 1 year na yun and hoping this time wala nang aberya. At saka may mga balita na rin na nakarating na yung mga balikbayan boxes na hindi nakarating. So, hope mine will reach the destination din. It's hard to earn dinar kaya dapat pahalagahan natin. My very hobby is going to supermarkets, buying my everyday pangangailangan like food, sabon, shampoo, and syempre, kasama na rin yung mga ilalagay ko sa aking balikbayan boxes. And sabi nila habang tumatanda daw tayo, hindi na tayo nahihilig sa pagka-shopping ng mga damit. Yung mga sinashopping natin, yung mga gamit na sa bahay. Ganun. Ikaw, ganun ka din ba? May folding phone. 7KD, 495. KD dami. Oy. 3,750 ang Omo. You know why I love to buy detergent powders here? Dahil sako-sako ang sabon and it's cheaper. Although very expensive na rin ang mga bilihin sa Kuwait, but at least there are promotions na medyo swak sa bulsa naming mga OFWs. Every month, we bought 2 to 4 items at di lang namin namamalayan. Puno na yun na aming mga cargo boxes, yung aming mga balikbayan boxes. This is what we call chilling on Fridays, di ba? Relaxing on Friday. Window shopping, grocery shopping. But for me, more on groceries dahil nag-iipon ako ng pampakargo ko. Ikaw, grocery shopping ka ba or clothing shopping or jewelry shopping? Comments down na lang. Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. This is the very exciting part of my work. Alam niyo yun? Yung tumanggap ka ng instruction, tapos yung instruction hindi mo naintindihan kasi yung nag-instruction yun, hindi klaro yung sinabi. So, I will try my best to love God and my country, to help people every day, especially yung mga taong nagtatali-talinuhan. Beep, beep! Beep, beep, beep! Ang sabi ng jeep. Good luck to me! Sakit ang ulo ko.